Estimados amigos, estimadas amigas,
Dear friends,
en esta cumbre del Consejo Mundial de Viajes y
in this
Turismo que
summit
estáis
of the
celebrando hoy,
World Travel and Tourism
sabemos que para
Council, we
alcanzar
know
los
that in order
objetivos que
to
os habéis
reach
planteado para la
the
recuperación del
goals that you
sector,
have for the
es
recovery
necesario,
of the
ante
sector,
todo,
it
superar
is
la pandemia.
necessary to overcome the pandemic.
Los profesionales sanitarios están
Healthcare
vacunando cada día
professionals
para
are
recobrar
getting
cuanto antes la
vaccinated
salud y
to
la movilidad,
recover
y su tarea
health
es
and
algo tan
mobility as soon
importante
as
para el sector
possible,
turístico
and their
como la
job
de
is
los
as
turoperadores, los hoteleros
important as the
o
job
las
of
agencias de
hotel
viaje.
owners
Este
or the travel
esperanzador proceso de
industry.
vacunación
This
nos va a permitir
vaccination process
restablecer
will
poco a
allow
poco la
us to
normalidad y con
gradually
ello reanudar
recover
la actividad
normalcy
turística,
and to go back
garantizando la
to
seguridad
the tourism
de todos los
activity,
viajeros y
ensuring the
viajeras.
safety of all
El
travelers.
certificado verde digital, que
The
es una
Green
iniciativa
Digital
de la Unión Europea
Certificate,
que
this is an
España apoya de
initiative
forma
of the
muy activa,
European Union that
jugará,
Spain
a mi
supports,
juicio, un
will
papel
play
decisivo en la
a
recuperación
decisive role
de la
in the
movilidad
recovery of
europea e internacional.
European and international
Este
mobility.
certificado, que está
This
siendo diseñado de
certificate,
forma que
which
sea
is being designed in a way
interoperable,
so that it is
digital, que no
interoperable,
sea
digital,
discriminatorio, sencillo de
non-discriminatory,
usar,
and simple to
podrá
use,
estar listo
could be
a
ready
mediados de
by
junio.
mid-June.
Y mientras tanto,
In the
nuestra
meantime,
tarea
we need to
consiste en
continue
seguir trabajando
working
para que
so
el
that
sector turístico
the
recupere
touristic and
todo su
travel
vigor,
sector
toda su
will
fortaleza,
regain all its
sin
vigor,
perder de vista
strength,
los grandes
without
desafíos que tenemos
losing
en este
sight
siglo,
of the
como
great
son
challenges
la
of this
transición
century, such
ecológica y
as the
también la
ecological
aceleración de la
transition and
transformación
the
digital.
acceleration of digital
Para conseguir
transformation.
estos objetivos,
In order to achieve
España
these
se ha
goals,
puesto en marcha,
Spain
el
has
Gobierno
put in
ha
place
puesto en marcha el plan de
the
modernización y competitividad
modernization
del
and
sector turístico, un
competitiveness
plan
plan of tourism
ambicioso,
sector. This
con
is
una
an
dotación
ambition plan
presupuestaria sin
with an
precedentes en nuestro
unprecedented
país,
budget in our
que
country,
aborda
which
la triple
approaches the triple
transformación del sector
transformation
hacia un modelo
of the sector
sostenible,
towards a
también
sustainable,
digital y de
digital,
calidad,
and quality
sin
model
olvidar en este
without
momento
leaving
la
behind
seguridad sanitaria.
the health safety.
Su objetivo es
The
mantener el
objective is to
liderazgo de
maintain
España en
Spain's
competitividad
leadership in
turística en el
tourism
corto, en el medio y en el largo
competitiveness in the
plazo,
short, mid, and long
reactivando el
term
sector y
by
modernizando
reactivating the
toda la
sector and
cadena del valor
modernizing
industrial.
all the value
Este
chain.
plan
This
es una
plan
muestra
is
más del
yet
compromiso
another
del Gobierno de
example of
España
the
con el sector
commitment of the
turístico al que
Spanish
tanto
government with
debemos
the
como
tourism
país.
sector to whom we owe
Desde el inicio de
as a
esta crisis
country. From the
sanitaria,
beginning of
el
this health
Gobierno de
crisis,
España
the
desplegó un
Spanish
escudo
government deployed
social,
a social
económico,
and
para
economic
proteger a
shield
muchísimos
to
sectores,
protect
pero en
many
particular
sectors, but in
al tejido
particular
empresarial
the business
y también el
fabric
empleo
and
turístico.
touristic employment.
Y vamos a seguir haciéndolo
And
hasta
we
el
will
final de esta
continue to
crisis.
do this until the
En
end of
estos
this
tiempos
crisis. In
excepcionales
these
e
unprecedented times,
imprescindibles,
it is
continuar
essential
trabajando
to
juntos,
continue working
sumando
together,
esfuerzos de
joining
todas las
efforts
instituciones
both from
públicas y del
public and
sector
private
privado, es
sector,
fundamental.
and this is critical.
España
Spain
estará en todo
will
momento al lado
always
del
be
Consejo
side by
Mundial
side
de
of the
Turismo y de Viajes,
WTTC
de la Organización
and
Mundial de
the
Turismo
UN World
y de cuantos foros
Tourism Organization
internacionales
and
contribuyen
other
a la recuperación
international
de la
entities
movilidad de
that
los
will
viajeros
contribute to
y a impulsar
resuming
hacia
mobility of
adelante
travelers
al conjunto
and
del
to
sector.
boost and push forward this
Me gustaría por
sector.
último aprovechar este
Finally,
mensaje
I
para
would
invitar
like
a todos
to
los
take this
asistentes a
opportunity
visitar,
to invite all
a conocer
participants to
España si
visit and
todavía
to
no lo han
get to
hecho,
know Spain
o a volver
if you
una vez
haven't
más
been
y a
here,
conocer
or to
nuestra
come
tierra
back to
diversa
Spain
y siempre
so that you
acogedora.
can see our
Aquí
country, which
podrán
is diverse
comprobar
and always
que nuestro
welcoming. Here you
turismo
will be able to
siempre
verify
aspira
that our
a la
tourism
excelencia.
always
Les
aspires
deseo
to excellence.
el mayor de
I
los
wish you
éxitos
the
en esta
greatest
cumbre.
success in this summit.
Saya menyambut baik penyelenggaraan World Travel and Tourism Council Summit tahun 2021. Jutaan pekerja pariwisata di dunia, di Asia, termasuk di Indonesia, kehilangan pekerjaan. Kami telah melakukan berbagai cara agar pariwisata dapat bergerak kembali, memberikan pekerjaan kepada jutaan pekerja pariwisata, melayani wisatawan dengan aman dan nyaman. Kami juga terus menyiapkan destinasi unggulan dan memastikan keamanan wisatawan. Vaksinasi kepada para pekerja pariwisata telah kami lakukan, dan protokol kesehatan di berbagai destinasi pariwisata diterapkan dengan disiplin yang ketat, serta pengoperasian alat-alat pendeteksi COVID yang terjangkau. Diharapkan dapat meningkatkan kepercayaan dan rasa aman bagi wisatawan. Dengan berbagai upaya tersebut, satu persatu destinasi dan sektor penunjang pariwisata telah kami buka dengan penerapan protokol kesehatan yang ketat. Dan upaya diplomasi juga terus dilakukan, koridor perjalanan internasional dengan sejumlah negara yang akan membuka akses keluar masuk antar negara. Keberhasilan diplomasi ini diharapkan dapat memberikan titik terang, membangkitkan optimisme dan harapan untuk menggerakkan kembali industri pariwisata di Indonesia. Hadirin yang saya hormati, pemulihan sektor pariwisata tidak bisa dilakukan sendirian. Saya mengajak semua negara untuk berkolaborasi, bersatu, bergandengan tangan, bergerak bersama, saling mendukung, menjadi bagian dari upaya pemulihan ekonomi global. World Travel and Tourism Council Summit sebagai forum global di bidang pariwisata. Saya harapkan akan menjadi lokomotif untuk menggerakkan kembali sektor pariwisata. Saya yakin tahun 2021 akan menjadi momentum kebangkitan. Kolaborasi akan saling menguatkan kita untuk melewati masa krisis dengan baik dan memastikan pariwisata dunia dapat pulih dan bangkit kembali. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, I'm pleased and honored to participate in the 2021 World Travel and Tourism Council Annual Summit. We have all had an incredibly challenging year that severely impacted the health of the world and the stability of our economies. And we've had to adapt to a crisis that has significantly altered our tourism industry. What have we learned? We have learned the importance of balancing the protection of public health with economic activity. The government of Bermuda's main priority has been to keep Bermudians safe. This includes protecting them economically by carefully managing the impact of the pandemic to allow for business to operate where possible with free and accessible testing available to residents. This also includes allowing tourism to continue safely with a strong and effective testing regime for visitors. Doing this has enabled us to keep our borders open and to support thousands of jobs in our tourism industry. We also learned the value of safety as it relates to travel. People have a different approach to travel now, with the management of the coronavirus being of paramount importance. They want to have confidence that their chosen destination is safe and can provide them with peace of mind. This is an expectation we must all work to meet. Bermuda is ready, and we are open for business and leisure travel. We look forward to sharing our vibrant culture, spectacular pink sand beaches, world-class accommodations, amenities, experiences, and friendly people with all who visit. And we are working hard to ensure that those who do visit wish to come back for many more years to come. I am confident that Bermuda's tourism industry and tourism worldwide will fully recover and even strengthen through creativity and innovation. Together, we will collaboratively explore the challenges ahead and strategically chart a course towards global recovery during this year's summit. We look forward to being a part of the 2021 World Travel and Tourism Council Annual Summit, and we look forward to welcoming you to our shores when you choose to visit. Thank you.
I'm very glad to be virtually with you in Cancun for your annual Global Summit of the World Travel and Tourism Council. Tourism and travel was one of the sectors most affected by the COVID-19 crisis. Yet, in 2020, it represented hundreds of millions of jobs and 10% of the world GDP. In France, more than 1.3 million people work in this sector. It allows young men and women without qualifications to enter the job market. It is also one of the only sectors that allows people to progress on job without diplomas. In developing countries, it is also an economic driver and has an impact on regional planning, transport, agriculture, crafts, construction. This is why, as you called for, we must unite to ensure its recovery and respond to the new challenges that the crisis has raised, particularly its sustainability. I'm delighted that you will be able to discuss this at the summit. France, as the leading destination for international tourism, is willing to accelerate the path to recovery. We are working hard to be able to welcome this summer at least the European and American citizens on our territory, and I hope much more than that, thanks to precisely the vaccination and the sanitary passport. To deepen the reflection on these very important subjects, I would love to host you in Paris before the end of the year to discuss how we could work together to facilitate this recovery, how you could help us to recreate jobs and invest to answer new travelers' needs, and how the travel and tourism industry could work together with public authorities towards more sustainability. I'm looking forward to welcoming you again in France. Have a good summit in Cancun and see you soon. Thank you.